Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I deep condition my hair. Medio Liva. So this is a deep conditioner. It's a terapia intensiva e acondicionamiento. It's in Spanish. So it's a deep conditioner made with mayo and olive oil. It's really good for your hair. I mean, highly moisturizer. I've been using it for quite some time, so it's been doing wonders for my hair. Okay, my hair is just dripping, dripping, dripping. Okay. And this smells, oh my god, super good. So when the conditioner, always use a very generous amount of deep conditioner. I usually do this every other week, you know, or once a week depending how my hair is feeling it. So this deep conditioner is super good. It really moisturizes your hair. So when my hair is feeling kind of dry and needs some revitalizing, I love to use this deep conditioner. It's a deep treatment. Okay. Look at that much stuff. Very soft. Oh my goodness, look at this. First I'm gonna go with this coconut whipped cream, which I like. Okay, now that I got this, you know, I like to use my mahi-mahi. Mani. No, mahi-mahi? Mani. Did I just say mahi-mahi? That's a fish. I like to use mahi-mahi on my hair. That was so funny. It's Mani moisture. Oh my god. I just got this new blow dryer because my other blow dryer broke. It didn't broke, but the attachment so broke. And I just got this new beauty. I read a really good review about it, so I'm gonna give it a try. My hair routine for this week. So this deep conditioner have done wonder to my hair. It feels soft, it's very shiny. It just feels good, and that's one of the things that I really love when it comes to a deep conditioner. So soft, bouncy, good looking hair. Thank Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe in the button down below, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.